We're gonna go fight this guy.
Yeah.
Hey, Justin, come here. Open the door.
Put my house or what?
Just try to open it and then go up in your room because I want to show you something. Go up in your room. I want to show you something. It's cool. Just, I'll come in a minute. Wait 1 second. Dang, come here. We're gonna go do it. I told him to go up in his room. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go do this.
I have to put all these in there and then I have to go help my mom with something.
Just come on, let's go do this real fast.
I can't.
Come on.
My mom said I have to do this.
Okay, we're gonna go do this. I'll be back. Yo, Justin, go in your room real fast. I want to show you something, but go in your room. What? Just go in your room real fast. Close your eyes or go against the wall real fast. I'll show you. Ready? I'm gonna come in. Wait. Got him! Posted that on YouTube, dude. I was like, me and Danny were gonna come in and blast you, but then Danny couldn't. Let's get him again. Instant kill.
Not funny.
It's super funny. Get him again. Eddie, instant kill.
Yeah, that's right.
That didn't even work. Yeah, we're like, we have to go in and just shoot him up. Are you doing them? Did you finish that gun up? Did you make it?
Yeah, but it broke.